Hello, students. Good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing really great and you all are safe and sound. Okay. So, today we are going to start our JEE mains mock test number 5. Sorry. Okay. We are going to discuss the questions related to mathematics. So, okay. So we'll start the first question. Okay. Good evening to all of you. I hope you all are ready with your pen and paper. And if there is any doubt, please reach out to me. Please let me know in the comment box, or you can privately chat with me, or I have actually unmuted you all. So you can also tell me where you are having doubt. Okay. So with that, we'll start today's question number 1. Okay. So first of all, we'll read it. So in the question number 1, it is saying that let A is a set. Okay, 9 elements are given. B is also another set. Then the number of elements in the set C. Okay, there is a set C set is defined, which is a subset of A. You can see it is written C is subset of A, means C can have any number of elements from A, right? We know the meaning of subset. Okay, such that C intersection B should not be equal to null set. Pi means null set. Okay, that means in C intersection B there should not be a null set. It means there should be some element, right? Okay, so with that we'll start. So first of all, it should be given that it is a subset of A. Okay, we know that in set A there are total 9 elements are given from 1 to 9. Okay, let's say if it is asking what we are going to do, we are going to find out number of elements in set C where C intersection B should not be a null set. So what we do, we try to find out where it is a null set. What we are doing, we are finding the contradiction. Okay, first of all, we'll find out how many sets can be formed where C intersection B should be a null set. Then what we'll do, from all the subsets or from all the sets from C, we'll subtract whatever the answer we have found. It means we'll subtract the number of null sets with the intersection of B set. Clear? So what we'll do, total minus null set which with a set with set B. So we are talking about set C, right? So here we'll find out the null set with set B, null set of C with set B. Okay, so total number of subsets. First of all, let's say if I'll try to write any example. Okay, so where C is a set which is a subset of A, as well as intersection of B should not be of null set. So let's say if I'll write C should be from set A. Okay, and intersection with C should not be null set. So if I'll take only element 2 from set A, if I'll take only element 2, now I have to check whether C intersection B is a null set or not. If you will check C intersection B, there is one element which is common, 2. It means C intersection B is also 2, which is not a null set, right? Because one element is there. So this could be my one set, right? So there can be some more set. For example, if I'll take C is equals to 2, 5, or C is equals to 1, 2, 5. Now you can see what I'm doing. I'm deliberately taking those elements such that C intersection B becomes non-null set or becomes any non-void set, right? So total number of subsets, how many total number of set we can form from C? Total number of elements will be 2 to the power 9. What does that mean? See, we have to make a subset of A. Subset of A means we can take any number of elements from these 9 elements. Either I can take 0 element, means I have to choose no element from 9 elements, or I can take 1 element or 2 element, and so on. I can either take all 9 elements. So this would be the number of subset I can form from set A, right? So if you know, using binomial, we can write it as 2 to the power 9, right or not? Okay, it means this many subset I can form from set A. Clear? So this will be my total number of subsets. Now I have to check with those subsets how many set will be intersecting with B, such that this should be a null set. Okay, so let's say I have taken, let's say, or out of all these subsets I have take, let's say C is equals to 1, 3 and 4, right? I have taken only 3 elements from 9 elements, so this could be my one of the subset, right? Now if you try to take intersection with B, you can see there is no element common. That means C intersection B is a null set, which we want it. So what we do, using this concept, we should take those elements such from A such that there should be no intersection with B, or with intersection with B should be null set, right? So what we should take, we should not take actually 2, because if I'll take 2 from here, there will be 2 common. I should also not take 5, so I should reject 2, I should reject 5, as well as I should reject 8. See, I cannot reject 11, right? Because if I'll try to reject 11, what will happen? 11 is not in set A, so there won't be any problem. Okay, so how many elements I can take? I can take 3 elements, right? I can take 3 elements such that intersection with B should be a null set, right or not? So I have to take 3 elements. Okay, so or you can say I have removed these 3 now. So how many elements? I cannot take 3 elements. It means what means I can take 1, I can take 3, I can take 4, 6, 7 and 9. If I'll take all these elements, then, or any of these elements, I will be able to make a set such that intersection with B should be a null set. Let's say if I'll take 1 and 3, 1 and 3, sorry, yes, 1 and 3, then you can see this intersection set B would be a null set, so that fulfill my condition, right? So out of these 6 elements, how many subset I can form? 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 will be the number of null set whose intersection with B is null set. Clear? So this will be my required answer. This will be my required answer. Did you understand? So what will be the answer? 2 to the power 9 is 512 minus 2 to the power 6 is 64. If you solve, you will get 448. So 448 is option number C. Clear? What we have done, to find out a non-null set, we have taken total minus null set, like what we generally do in in PNC type of questions, we have done contradiction method, right? Such that we have to make sure that no two girls are together. Like this type of questions we have done. So total minus two girls are together. Same case. Total minus number of subsets where intersection with B is a null set. So I have removed those cases where null set is there. So we'll be getting the required answer, non-null set. Clear? So with this, we'll move on to the next question. So first of all, we'll read down what is the question says. So the question says that for Z belongs to C. C means complex number. Clear? C means complex number. It is obviously true, obviously understandable. So we have to find the minimum value of modulus of Z minus 4 root 3 plus modulus of Z minus K root 3I is 5 root 3. It is given that minimum value of this modulus plus this modulus is 5 root 3. Then we have to find the value of K.